End of the year, we had the stampede at Islamic High School Basharun. 35 innocent souls were lost. Ọlọ́run ní jí kárírú ẹ̀ mọ́ ní Ọ̀yọ́ State o. Quite a number of people, they've been reaching out to me, saying, oh, this thing happened in Anambra State. It happened also FCT. Nobody went to jail. Why is it in Oyo State that some people are going to jail? I said, well, Oyo State is not Anambra State. And no matter how highly placed, justice must be done. Judiciary one be, it's in their court. If you think you can grant bail pending the trial, I don't have anything against it. But trial, the people must go on trial. So people come to me, and I've been saying to them, Oyo State, even if this entire country decides not to follow the rule of law, Oyo State we will follow. We will dare to be different. We will follow the rule of law.